Hey, what's going on, guys? It's your boy Serrano, and right now I'm recording on the BLU PURE VIEW front-facing camera. Now it does have two 8 megapixel cameras. This one that we're looking at is the 8 megapixel camera that is actually focused in, which will give you a nice front single shot. Now it also does have a wider camera, which I really like. It's actually one of my favorites. It's going to be able to capture all of the photos and all the people that are in the photo in video and in pictures. But you can see right here the BLU PURE VIEW does have an update, and we're getting that right now. I'm going to show you how this device has held up over 10 months of time. I've actually loved every single part about this device. There hasn't been any gripes whatsoever except for updates. But we just got an update. We're still running nougat, which a lot of people would be belly aching, hiccuping, and complaining about. I actually have an appreciation for nougat. I remember when it first came out and I was real hyped just for nougat. So I still appreciate the software, but you can see it's still updating right now. And you know, nougat is actually one of the older software versions, 2 versions back. But if you are an Android fan and if you're a collector, obviously you're gonna have appreciation for it in some aspect. But you can see right here that update did come through. It was the April 1st security patch. Now let's jump into the wide angle so I can show you what this looks like. Alright, so now this is the wide angle camera, probably my favorite camera because it's going to bring out more of the image, picture, and everything like that. So you can see right here when we're looking at the PURE VIEW, it is bananas. The colors on the display are one of my favorites. It has what they did with the colors on this device. I actually love. The colors pop out at you and they're really saturated. The fluidity you can see with social media apps is really smooth. Everything just seems to flow nicely. The camera also does have a front-facing flash, which I'm utilizing in this video, so you can see it's really bright, really clear, really crispy. It's capturing all the lights around me and the LEDs in the background, so there's no it's not oversaturating anything. But overall it's a good camera system for under $150. So you're paying like $130 in that ballpark. Now I remember I got this on Amazon as a $99 special, and it's still holding up its price point in Amazon at $140. So they haven't budged. They brought the price back up and it's remained $140. This device is an all metal design. You can see right here where you're able to see that wide angle and that close-up shot, which was definitely pretty cool. I love that part about this device. It's definitely cool because it's on the front-facing camera, and a lot of people hold their phone up like this and take group selfies and stuff like that. But you can see right here, we're just testing out the performance on the PUBG. And PUBG was really good on this budget device, especially at the price point of only $130. I mean, you can't really complain whatsoever when you're playing PUBG on this device. It's really clean, really smooth. So I didn't really have any hiccups, any complaints. If you're wondering how I cut my hand, I was on my longboard and I had a beer in my hand and I hit a curb because I was looking this way, and I actually fell forward and cut my hand, but I'm good. Right here you can see the security is up to date. It's April 1st right now. You can customize the display to your liking, to your personal preference, and everything like that. And there was just a lot of features with this device. Had a really good overall experience as a budget device. But I hope you guys found this helpful. With your boy Serrano, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace. In the meantime, have a great morning, afternoon, evening, depending on where you are. Have a great night, and make sure you guys stay locked in for more videos just like this. And I'll see you guys on the next video. Later, crew. Peace.